Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your DPI settings in your Lenovo Tab One. Firstly, we need to search for the settings, which are over here, and open the main menu of the settings. And now we have actually two things that we can change. The first thing is in the display. Tap display, and here scroll down till you see display size and text over here. Pardon me. Here as you can see, you can increase the font size, and here as you can see, you can increase the display size. But this is actually not this effect that you wanted earlier. So here we can tap reset settings and reset. But if you want, you can modify it, and this should be it, and this should satisfy you actually. But we can go back and go back again to settings and scroll down to the About tablet. Now you have to enable the developer options. To do so, tap 7 times the number on the software version over here in the About tablet, and here you should see you need one tab to be a developer, and now if we are a developer, we have no need, you are already a developer. Then we can go back and tap general settings. Here tap developer options, and now you can scroll down till you see something about the display. I will show this in a moment. As you can see, input, drawing. Here in drawing we do have the smallest width. If we tap it, we can see that here we do have 711. If we delete that and enter a different value and tap confirm and OK, our width should change. We can change, for example, it to 250. OK. And now, as you can see, it's different, but it's almost the same as the previous settings, like in the display. The default one, as I remember, was 711, and we can tap OK here. And now, as you can see, we have default default width. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.